In conclusion, hovering works when there is unfinished hope. But healing teaches you something powerful. Closure does not come from them. It comes from clarity. And when you understand the manipulation cycle, you stop mistaking repetition for reconciliation. You stop answering nostalgia with access. You stop rewarding inconsistency with attention. You stop confusing words with transformation. The goal is not to harden your heart, it is to strengthen your discernment. Because someone returning is not the same as someone repairing. And love without accountability is just repetition. If nothing has changed, nothing has changed. Your peace is worth protecting. Your healing is worth defending. And your silence can be stronger than any argument that you ever have. Awareness, again, mental warriors, begins by breaking cycles. And you deserve a life that is not built on emotional whiplash. Follow me at Mentally Sound Journey. Like this content, share this content with someone that may be able to use it. And as I always say, a stronger mind is a stronger you.